The Sexual Harassment, Protection and Prevention Act 2021 came into effect on July 2023.
In addition to the landmark legislation,
we have already hired 4 sexual harassment investigators. On September the 25th, 2023, approval was granted for the establishment of the Male Empowerment Unit within the Bureau of Gender Affairs. And I'm honored to officially open 2 units within the Bureau of Gender Affairs: the Sexual Harassment Investigation Unit and the Gender-Based Violence Helpline Unit. The Women's Parliamentary Bicameral Caucus is now a reality.
notable sporting moves were made in 2023. Jamaica and the Republic of South Africa signed a cooperation agreement to strengthen collaboration in several critical areas of sports, and plans for the redevelopment of the Independence Park complex passed the critical stage. Submissions to the Public Investment Management Committee were approved, and the Sporting Ministry directed to proceed with developing detailed designs for the proposed works.
I'm heartened by the support of my colleague, the Minister of Finance and the Public Service, who has undertaken to provide the resources. It came out of his mouth.
Let's do it.
Provide the resources to prepare the necessary drawings. We are told now to go to architectural drawings.
Yes.
And plans to move the stadium development forward.
It was a great year for national athletes.
Qualifying back-to-back has been a great achievement for Jamaica. Our Sunshine Girls have consistently performed well in World Netball. No other country cupped 5 medals in less than 2 hours.
Reggae Month as an offline event returned with a bang in 2023.
Of course, you all know we had a very successful Reggae Month, extremely successful.
It was just fantastic, and this is just a plus for reggae music. And also, it's a message out there that no matter what you do, you can't hold back reggae music.
The big one, the Independence Grand Gala.
Thousands of Jamaicans came out to make Grand Gala a resounding success.
We continue to challenge ourselves to raise the bar each year.
On the archaeological side of things, Jamaica nominated Port Royal to the World Heritage List.
The 17th century archaeological site of Port Royal, including terrestrial and underwater, are currently going through the UNESCO World Heritage nomination.
And on the Culture Minister's recommendation, the Governor General issued a proclamation naming October 11 as Paul Bogle Day to be celebrated annually.